Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an ice cream truck with cardboard. First, gather your essential supplies. You'll need several large cardboard boxes, a sharp craft knife, and a reliable hot glue gun or strong adhesive. Don't forget colorful paints, brushes, and fun decorative items like bottle caps or plastic lids to add character. A ruler and pencil are crucial for accurate measurements, ensuring your truck looks fantastic. Now, let's construct the main body of your ice cream truck. Begin by cutting 2 large cardboard pieces, each measuring about 3 feet long and 2 feet high, for the front and back. Next, fashion the side panels and roof, making sure they align perfectly. Use a hot glue gun or strong packing tape to firmly attach all these components, creating a robust and stable foundation for your delightful vehicle. This step is crucial for durability. Time to add those essential details that bring your truck to life. Cut out 4 circular cardboard pieces, each approximately 8 inches in diameter, to serve as your wheels. Next, carefully design and cut out windows and a serving hatch on the sides of your truck. Securely attach the wheels to the base using strong adhesive. For added strength and a polished look, reinforce the window and hatch frames with additional strips of cardboard. Finally, it's time for the most exciting part: decorating your ice cream truck. Grab your paints and brushes and give your truck a vibrant makeover. Think classic white, cheerful pink, or a cool light blue. Add fun details like a menu board displaying your imaginary treats, ice cream cone decals, and a welcoming sign. Personalize it with unique touches, perhaps even a small bell, to make your cardboard creation truly special and ready for imaginative play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.